Come, come, come. आगे. Hello guys, good morning. It's Ronnie D'Souza and you're watching Roncom. So yesterday was a really interesting day. It started off on a very sad and a depressing note, but ended on a really sweet one, a really wholesome one. So basically, I have half of it on tape, but the most important parts I have on tape. I could not record anything before that because obviously we were busy running around. We were at the police station as well, and we were busy looking for the puppies. And it was a very hectic thing, so I could not get all that on tape. What happened after that, I have it all on tape. Like, you'll see later on. So I'll just give you the summary of what happened. So basically, in my friend's society, there were these newborn puppies, 5 puppies, and there was this crooked man in the society who did not like all that. And he had warned the society people that he will take the babies once their eyes are open and he will dump them. But obviously, the society people were against all that. So what this guy did was, he took the puppies in a sack in the middle of the night and dropped them off somewhere. And the society people came to know about this the next day. And nobody knew where he has dropped them because that entire day he was missing. He was not in Pune. He was missing the entire day. So he finally showed up yesterday and they confronted him कि कहाँ है, क्या हुआ. So he wasn't willing to give up the answers. And that is when I took all the details, I took all the images from my friend and I posted it on Instagram. And the response that I got was, it was beautiful. So many people, even people from Delhi contacted me. I don't know how the message reached till there. So I got a massive response. But the story had just begun. Finally, I met 2 of the volunteers who are locals over there. And they told me to join along, to tag along. So whatever action needs to be taken, I'll be with them. So I get a call from them and I leave from here. I go to Magarpatta Hadapsar side, and we are at the police station over there. But I get a call from my friend ki please do not take any police action right now because there's a valid reason to that. If the man takes it on his ego, he's already a little gone from here. If he takes it on his ego, he might not let out the location, he might not tell us the location, and that would be really risky. So our priority was to get the puppies back first. So we told her, okay, no problem. We went all the way back to the society again and the volunteers spoke to the guy again. So they made some calls and everything. And whatever happened after that, I have that on tape. So I'll take you, I think, 17 hours back. Hey guys, so I met these volunteers who work for animal rescue and everything. So I've been out for a very long time. I've traveled a long way. So we are not filing a police case or anything. But we found that guy and he's probably taking the volunteers to the puppies, to the location where he has kept the puppies. So let's hope for the best. जो भी होता है देखते हैं. I really hope something good happens, something good comes out of this. I did not record anything before this because obviously I was busy. I was with them, then I was traveling. So देखते हैं क्या होता है and let's see now. Let's just hope for the best. I don't know how much time more. It's I think 6 o'clock now and I think more half an hour. We'll have our answers. So I'm just waiting over here. Don't know for how much longer, but I'm not leaving till I have an answer. I want to see what is the conclusion of this. What happens? Where are the puppies? Okay, so I got a call from the volunteer and apparently the guy told them the location where he dropped out the puppies. And I need to go over there now. देखते हो कहाँ पर है because I'm new to this area and I don't know the lanes properly. But I'll try my best to find the location. Okay, so guys, I came ahead all the way looking in this area. 10-15 minutes से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Suddenly I get a call. They found the puppies. I'm going back over there. दूसरे साइड हम लोग को मिला है. I'm just going back. I'm too excited right now. वर्षा पढ़ना चाली रख उसमें टिंगू वाला कौन सा है इसमें से? कहाँ? अच्छा वहाँ है। तो यहाँ पे इनका नाम क्या है? क्या खा रहे हैं मोटे मोटे? Peace. They're scared, man. They're really scared. Wait, one is here. He is playing fetch with himself. अरे 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 क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? अरे बाप रे! अग्रेसिव है वे?
ये बहुत एग्रेसिव है नीचे वाला।
अरे अरे ठोका।
ये कैसे करता है?
सीएनएस
लड़ता है ये। लड़ता है।
अरे अरे नीचे क्यों जा रहा है मेरे? अरे अरे ब्रिज नहीं है मैं। What do you think I am, puppy? अरे कितना खाएगा? क्या? अरे बाप रे क्या स्ट्रेंथ है! उई अरे ये भी चबा रहा है। नहीं भाई सभी चबा लो मुझे।
उस वाली तो बम देखना क्या क्यूट है बम है उसको।
ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन it needs to have where is the funding?
Yeah, it's a lot of problem of funding also. No one comes up for fostering. And,
There is no place,
Yeah, no place to keep
no
the
funding,
pups.
and whatever people are doing that अपने जेब से कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, so no funding.
There needs to be
No,
some.
some cases are like this that people call us, यहाँ कुत्ता ऐसे से पड़ा है. So when we go, we can't leave that pup like that only. So after
right.
the initial treatment, the reporter should take the responsibility that I will sponsor for that or I will foster it. But no one comes of fostering, no one comes of sponsoring or something. ले लो तुम डॉक्टर का चार्ज
राइट राइट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं लेते, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेते.
No one is taking responsibilities for the pups.
राइट राइट.
So gradually after some time we start feeling like let's stop this because we can't see the pain of the dogs and we can't let every dog in our home.
Exactly, you can't help everyone, you can't.
In our home. So
Fair enough, fair enough.
that's the case.
So they all cuddled up between my feet and now they're sleeping. So we're going to take their mother back and then we'll be reuniting them. So हम लोग रास्ते पर हैं. मुझे ये रिकॉर्ड करना है, बैटरी बहुत कम है बट आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड दिस नाउ.
प्रैक्टिकलिटी सोची तो वुडन बहुत कमी है. उसको मतलब पेशेंस नहीं है. ही इज वेरी डिमांडिंग. अगर आधा घंटा
कहीं से भी बिठा लेते फिर बंद कर देता हूँ ये.
उसको थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो तो यू कैन.
ये बंद कर दूँ ना? जस्ट वन यार.
Just someone said
I'll go. अच्छा you're going?
you sit from that side. No?
चलेगा. आराम से आ जाएगी. Come, come, come. आगे 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 आजा. इधर इधर इधर.
ये मेल है ना.
एक पपी आया.
टॉमी तिकडे जा बाळा. टॉमी कम. ए टॉमी चल. Good boy. चल.
हुई. और है अरे 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 अरे. हुई. आजा 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 बच्चा आजा. सरक सरक सरक. I have it all.
बेचारी बीमार है.
हाँ हाँ कोई नहीं हाथ नहीं लगा.
इसको क्यों लेकर आई?
नहीं बिकॉज वो नहीं वो हिलने में और फ्रैक्चर हो जाएगा.
नहीं ठीक है लेकर
वैसे होएगा. ठीक है.
नाही वरचा म्हणजे हातातच राहतो.
हाँ हातावर.
हाथ में रखो.
स्मेल दो स्मेल.
थोड़ा थोड़ा
तो अभी वो सारे बात भूल जाएगा. वो कैसे पकड़ के पी रहा है.
ऐसे ही करते रहो.
छोड़ो 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 छोड़ो.
खाए ना. तुम्हारे मिला?
नहीं वो अभी नहीं खाएगी.
नहीं, आप खाया उसको.
वो उसको खिलाया.